Karibu sana. Welcome to the Tales of Africa podcast. I'm your host, Oko Helen. Today we are taking a culinary journey across the continent, exploring the diverse and delicious cuisines that tells the story of African culture. Each dish is a tale of tradition, history, and the people who create it. Let's dig in. African cuisines is incredibly diverse, influenced by geography, climate, and cultural exchange. From North Africa to Sub-Saharan African, every region has its unique flavors and cooking techniques. For example, in North Africa, you'll find dishes like couscous and Tanjin, which reflects the rich Berber and Arab influence. The use of spices such as cumin, coriander, and saffron makes these dishes aromatic and vibrant. In East Africa, we celebrate staple food like Ugali in Kenya and Tanzania. A simple yet essential dish made from maize flour. It serves as a base for enjoying stews and vegetables. Each bite connects you to the land and its people. Let's explore some iconic dishes. Jolof Rice is a West African classic dish. It's loved for its spicy tomato base and can be made with chicken, fish, or vegetable. The debate about which country makes the best jollof rice, Nigeria or Ghana, is a beloved rivalry. Chaw, originating from South Africa. Chaw is a unique street food consisting of a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry. It reflects the Indian influence in South African cuisines. It's a perfect example for cultured fusion. Another one is Injera, which is an Ethiopian cuisine. Injera is more than just food. It's a symbol of community. This sourdough flatbread serves as both a plate and a utensil for eating stews like dorowat. Sharing a meal with Injera brings people together in a way that transcends language and borders. Cooking in Africa is often communal activity. In many cultures, meals are prepared together and recipes are passed down through generations. For instance, in the coastal region of East Africa, fishing community rely on fresh seafood, often grilling or steaming it with local spices. It not only preserves the freshness but also highlights the flavors of the sea. Similarly, in rural areas, traditional methods like smoking, fermenting, and sun-drying are still prevalent, ensuring that food is preserved and enjoyed long after harvest. Food in Africa is deeply intertwined with culture and identity. It plays a central role in celebrating rituals and daily life. During festivals, dishes prepared often symbolize abundance and prosperity. For instance, in many cultures, sharing food with guests is a sign of hospitality and respect. Additionally, the flavors and ingredients tell stories of migration and trade, showcasing how interconnected the continent is. As we wrap up today's episode, remember that exploring African cuisine is like delving into a treasure trove of stories and tradition. Each dish carries the heritage of its people and the land it comes from. I encourage you to try cooking an African dish at home, whether it's jollof rice, injera, or a simple vegetable stew. Discovering these flavors is a delicious way to connect with the rich tapestry of African culture. Asante sana, thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts on your favorite African dishes. Until next time, keep exploring the diverse and vibrant world of African cultures. Thank you.